Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Allen Shotgun Cleaning Kit. Allen is a 65-piece universal gun cleaning kit with a large, high-quality toolbox-style carrying case. This is the professional level of gun cleaning kits with 3 levels of cleaning tools. Besides shotgun, pretty awesome cleaning kit that cleans a variety of firearms. This is the ultimate cleaning kit. It has everything for every caliber weapon. I really like all the bore rhodes, brushes. From 22 to 12 gauge and everything in between. And with the case you have room to store your oil and bore cleaners and mat if you wish. It has professional grade cleaning kit and a toolbox for storage. Includes components for standard rifle pistol calibers plus 12 gauge, 20 gauge, and 410 bore shotguns. Components include bronze brushes, brass jags, cotton swabs, brass slotted tips, brass adapters, muzzle guards, cleaning rods, pick, cleaning brushes, and cotton patches. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best shotgun cleaning kit list is Boosteddy Cleaning Kit. This universal gun cleaning kit from Boosteddy is one of the best-selling cleaning kits cause it's so cheap may have a lot to do with it. Boosteddy includes phosphor bronze bore brushes, brass jags, 2 sizes of bronze slotted tips, a nylon brush, a metal gun cleaning pick, and 100 cleaning patches. Keeps everything neatly organized. Holds all the necessary cleaning tools. Case sized is 6.5 inch and 16 pieces handgun gun maintenance system in a high performance zippered organized pouch bag. It has phosphor bronze bore brushes and brass jags, large and small bronze slotted tips, and 100 pieces gun cleaning patches, nylon brush, metal gun cleaning pick. This gun cleaning kit does not include any solvent or oil. 2-piece brass cleaning rods thread together to form a 10.5 inch rod. Stainless steel picks helps to clean stubborn areas on your firearm. Our third choice is Glorifire Gun Cleaning Kit. The Glorifire Gun Cleaning Kit includes multiple picks, double-ended brushes, cotton swabs, brass jags, and bronze brushes. It even includes lens cloths and lens brushes to keep your sights accurate. The microfiber polishing cloth will wipe away any traces of fingerprints or oils from your hands. The rods had underwent a lot of testing before starting production. We tried copper, iron, stainless steel, aluminum and other materials, broke more than 600 rods in a year, and tested and improved the structure of the rod, and finally developed this reinforced rod, and the rod has a longer service life. The bristles of the brass brush are made of high quality brass, and are not easily bent or shed. Some of the low quality brass made in China has a short usage life. Gun cleaning supplies of other brands often only provide you one option, which cannot meet the needs of more consumers. We provide you with 2 cleaning methods, rope and rod, to meet your various needs. Rods can help you clean the gun barrel better and rope is easy to carry out. You can use them in different occasions. We also offer 2 thin cleaning ropes of different sizes. You can combine them with accessories according to the type of your gun. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best gun cleaning kit for shotgun list is Hops Cleaning Kit. This shotgun cleaning kit from Hops is one of the simplest that you can get in the market. You should buy this shotgun cleaning kit if you know that the firearm that you are of 12 gauge. This kit may look dainty in its clamshell packaging. A small yet useful brush comes along with this kit, and it has enough bristles to get rid of the dirt. The kit also comes with a cleaner and oil, so it is actually self-sufficient, and you can easily pack it in your hunting bag to be used whenever there is a need for it. Once the oil and cleaner are over, the user can buy big bottles of the same, as they are readily available in the market. Our fifth and last choice is Otis Technology Shotgun Cleaning Kit. This zippered case keeps everything neat and tidy and is easy to pack on the go. A microfiber gun cloth keeps the exterior looking sleek and shiny. This universal gun cleaning kit comes complete with over 60 components for all rifles, pistols, shotguns and inline muzzle loaders, including a full tactical cleaning kit, all contained in a lightweight, portable case. Made in the USA and built to last, the Otis Elite is a must-have addition to any collection. This universal gun cleaning kit comes complete with over 60 components for all rifles, pistols, shotguns and inline muzzle loaders, including a full tactical cleaning kit, all contained in a lightweight, portable case. Small and large obstruction removers knock out mud, snow, stuck casings and double as a T-handle base for included T-handle, small T-handle and stud included for small caliber cleaning. Have chamber brush, pin punch, end brush, straight pick, blocking lug scraper, short AP brush, double end AP brush and male and female rod for more precise cleaning.